Good morning everybody. Myself Vishwendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Today I will talk to you about effective preparation. As you see, most of the students preparing for competitive exams like JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, AIIMS, NTSC, KVPY, UPSC, CAT, they fail to clear these exams. The reason being that they don't understand the process of preparation. Most of the student fails because their mind don't have skills needed to crack these exams. So we started this organization to provide the training for learning the process of preparation. So there are certain things that I would like to discuss. The first is that when you are preparing, you must feel, you must know that you have sharp problem solving skills. Because the problem with students is they just try to learn a lot of information but don't practice on problem solving skills. Whatever you do, you should do that which is of some use to your targets, which is of some use to your qualifying exams. Suppose you want to be a good cricket player and you want to perform in the cricket match and you are preparing for hockey. So it's of no use. Preparing for hockey will not work, will not help you in achieving your targets for the playing the cricket match. So it works in the very same way. So before preparing, make sure that what you are preparing, what thoughts you are giving to your mind, how your mind is being trained, how your mind is being transformed. It is the difference between the process executed by your mind which differentiates between a successful and an unsuccessful student. Control your thoughts, control your mind, modulate the processes of your mind and try to learn the art of problem solving skills. Only then you will be able to clear your exam with flying colors. So the first step is you must aspire for a sharp problem solving skill. Test yourself vigorously that whether you have sharp problem solving skills or not. And if you are frustrated, you becomes irritated, you becomes uncomfortable when somebody asks you a question, that means you need to check your skills. Change your mind, change your attitude, otherwise you won't be succeed in your exam. The next aspect is a sharp memory. You must remember that for solving a problem, you must have a very sharp memory. Because when you are solving a question and your mind does not give you the desired data, then you won't be able to solve the question. So you must have a very sharp memory so that the information stored in your mind is accessed by you as and when needed. This is the second most important concept. The third is a daily work plan. We will talk about the management work, about the managing your work. So you must prepare a daily work plan. Make sure that whatever information you learned today, it's well stored in your mind and you are capable to retrieve that information as and when needed. Only then you can say that you are working correctly. If you even don't know what you studied today, then what is use of all the preparation, all the classes? It's of no use. So you must make sure that whatever information you have learned today, you must learn them in a way that you are able to retrieve it as and when needed. The next is a revision plan. It's natural that you will lose information, you will forget information learned after some time if you don't have a revision plan. So make a revision plan. The successful students are very smart and very clever. They work on the psychology of mind and prepare accordingly, modulate themselves accordingly. So you must also prepare in a smart way. Make a revision plan so that you revise again and again, so that the information which is stored in your mind is being checked, is being updated and is being revised again and again. That strengthens your memory circuits. You must have heard about that it's the retrieval effect which strengthens your memory circuits and helps you to memorize better and to retrieve data in a better way. The last but not the least is a psychological training for mental strength. Most of the students don't have enough mental strength. Whenever they see a question, they become afraid. Their mind is filled with fear, stigma, embarrassment, anxiety, depression. And because of that, they are not able to design effective solutions. So if you want to prepare for your exams, if you want to end up with a flying colors, then you must possess a mental strength. And for that, psychological training is needed. Prepare yourself mentally for the test. Put yourself in a virtual situation in which you are facing the test. Once you have learned how to bear the pressure, how to bear the stress, nobody can stop you from being successful. Thank you and have